You are welcome to the class of mathematics, but before proceeding, I would like to remind you, make sure you subscribe on my YouTube channel, what we call Sanfaume Online. Okay, today we are going to make correction concerning this question number 13. I think for the question number 13a, as it is says that you need to find the value of 2a squared minus ai, given that a equals to this one and the I equals to this one. I think there is no problem concerning this question. Let us shift to the question number 13b. The question says that a transformation T has a matrix T equals to this one, and the same transformation T, the point 4, the point negative 4, 1 is mapped into point 6, 3. You need to find the value of x and the r. So this x and the r are found on our given transformation matrix T. Okay, so how can you find this value of x and the r? You have to understand that this T maps the point negative 4, 1 into this point. So under this T, the point negative 4, 1, this point was mapped up to this point. That means in normal condition, this negative 4, 1, this point was mapped to 6, 3. But this mapping is under translation T. So you have to understand it. Now, let us solve the question. There's a given translation T, which is equal to 1 r x negative 2, x negative 2, like this one. And also, there's a given that the point negative 4, 1, this point was mapped into 6, 3. Okay, so how I can find the value of this x and the value of this r? Okay, as we know that in order to find the image under translation, there's a formula which says that x, y image always is equal to translation multiplied by x, y point. So in order to find the image under translation, we're supposed to take the translation T multiplied by the given point. But according to our question, this point, negative 4, 1, was mapped to be this point. That means this one is mapped to this one. That means our image here is this one, 6, 3, and this one is our point, because this point was mapped to be this one. That means this one is a point and this one is image. So our image here is this one, act as image, and this one act as a point. That means our xy point, not image, xy point will be equals to negative 4, 1. This is xy point, and also our xy image will be equals to 6, 3, means 6, 3, something like this one. Okay, now from there I can find the value of x and the r by considering the formula, because we know that always x, y image is equal to translation T multiplied by x, y. But for the time now, we know we have x, y, we have this one, xy, and also we have this one, x image, and this translation is given, so we have to plug our data. Now will be like this one, xy image, but our image is 6, 3. This is image, which obtained by taking the transformation matrix T, which is 1 r x negative 2 times by xy point, but our point is negative 4, and the 1, like this one. Okay, so now we have to multiply this one multiply by this one. Now it will be like this. As usual, in matrix multiplication, we're supposed to take this one times this one plus this one times this one, then this one times this one plus this one times this one, and from there I'll find something like this. I'll find this 6, 3 will be equal to, okay, let us multiply this one. We have to take this one times negative 4, then plus this one times this one. This one times this one, I'll find negative 4 plus this one times this one, x. So it will be negative 4 plus x. This one, negative 4 plus x. And also this one times this one plus this one times this one. This one times this one will be negative 4r. This one times this one, negative 2. Now it will be like this. Negative 4r. That one will become negative 2. Something like this one when we multiply. Okay, now we have two things. This one is equal to this one. I can say this is equal matrix. Since this is equal matrix, this matrix is equal to this one, then I can say their corresponding element must be the same, because always we know that for any equal matrix their corresponding element must be the same. That means this 6 must be equal to this one, and also this 3 must be equal to this one. I can say this 6 must be equal to this one. That means 6 must be equal to negative 4 plus x, negative 4 plus x, and from there you have to solve for x. You will find the x will be equals to, you have to shift this negative to this side, will be positive, and I'll find x equals to 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10. So the value of x is equal to 10. This is a value of x. But also, because this is an equal matrix, then I will compare it again. This 3 must be equal to this one. That means 3 must be equal to negative 4r minus 2. Okay, from there I have to shift this one to this side. This is negative, become positive, so 3 plus 2 will be equal to negative 4r. Then from there I will find 5 is equal to negative 4r. In order to find the value of r here, we're supposed to divide by negative 4, then divide by negative 4. Then from there I will find the r is equal to negative 5 over 4, as we'll see there. So at the end of the day, we have to write our answers, which is x is equal to 10, but also, and this r is equal to negative 5 over 4. This one will be the end of the solution. So we're supposed to write like this one. It is very, very simple calculation. So what we're supposed to do, just follow the procedure concerning the matrix. Thank you for your cooperation, but do not forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, what we call Samfaume Online. Goodbye.